Once upon a time, a king had announced that anyone who wanted the post of personal assistant must meet him. Many people gathered in the palace. The king led them to a pond and said, "Whoever will fill this pond's water in this pot will be chosen for the post. But remember, there is a hole in the pot." So some people left without a single try, while some people tried for once and then said, "The king has already chosen someone else. Let's go." But one man kept filling the pot with pond water patiently. He filled the water in the pot from the pond and came out on the ground. But always, within few moments, the water poured on the ground completely. He tried that uncountable number of times. At last, the pond became empty. The man found a diamond ring in the empty pond and he gave it to the king. At this, the king said, "This ring is a reward for your patience and hard work. You are fit for the job." The importance of patience in our life should be realized by every individual. With patience, you can avoid making hasty decisions. Life is not about living in the future or in the past. Life is about accepting the present moment. In this modern age, most of us have forgotten to be patient and we get irritated very quickly over minor things like a traffic jam, stock market ups and downs, a baby crying, and such things. The growth in technology, in particular smartphones, has led to instant gratification becoming the norm. Computer games provide instant feedback. We can post things on social media and get an immediate response from our friends. Information is available at the touch of a screen. No more having to go to the library and look things up. We all want instant gratification and we want things without waiting. We expect immediate results in the gym. We can even have a book read to us or summarized for us so that we don't have to read them. But the problem is that while some things have become quicker to acquire in life, there are still some pretty great things that require time to come, like a dream house, dream job, perfect life partner, etc. And in order to get those things, patience is required. You need to understand that becoming impatient can do some real negative things to you and your life. Buddha once said, "Be patient, everything comes to you in the right moment, and sometimes you have to go through the worst to get the best." If you are impatient, you may make rash decisions with some terrible consequences. When we are working on our dreams, we set a goal and we estimate how long it will take to reach that goal. But the point of trigger is when we learn that it is going to take longer than expected to reach our goal. And then we start looking for shortcuts, we consider switching goals, and sometimes we do. And therefore, you may waste vast stretches of your life pursuing the wrong goals, which will destroy all your dreams. Most successful people travel in the most difficult paths. If you are feeling difficult, then you are on the right path to achieve your goal. J.K. Rowling was unemployed, divorced, and raising a daughter on Social Security while writing first Harry Potter novel. Her novel Harry Potter was rejected by 12 publishing houses.
There's a quotation that I almost used in the Harry Potter book. In magic, man has to rely on himself. But that's the perennial appeal of magic, the idea that we ourselves have power and we can shape our world. I had a very, very tiny baby, and then I walked straight into poverty and depression.
I was the biggest failure I knew. I stopped pretending to myself that I was anything other than what I was, and began to direct all my energy into finishing the only work that mattered to me. Had I really succeeded at anything else, I might never have found the determination to succeed in the one arena where I believed I truly belonged. I was set free because my greatest fear had been realized, and I was still alive, and I still had a daughter whom I adored, and I had an old typewriter and a big idea. And so rock bottom became the solid foundation on which I rebuilt my life. You might never fail on the scale I did, but some failure in life is inevitable. It is impossible to live without failing at something, unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all.
Colonel Hardland David Sanders, founder of KFC. He couldn't sell his chicken. More than 1,000 restaurants rejected him. From these examples, you need to understand that you have to set goals that are almost out of reach. If you set a goal that is attainable without much work or thought, then you are stuck with something below your true talent and potential. There is absolutely no need to be jealous of others. What's for you is for you, and what they have wouldn't fit you anyways. Be thankful for all that you have and know that all you desire is on the way. And always remember, it takes time to build a castle. If people are doubting how far you can go so far that you can't hear them anymore. Impatience is a trait that does nothing good for you. It is the root of all your problems. You cannot force life to give you answers. You must let them unfold before you. Patience is the support of weakness, and impatience is the ruin of strength. Therefore, learn to be patient with your impatience. And never forget that you have unlimited power and potential to achieve greatness.